Hi, I'm Rainy Days and welcome to my second episode. In this episode I'm going to be showing you how to make clay plaques, like these. So to get started, the equipment you will need is a non-slip mat, a whisk and a bowl. So this recipe, the ingredients could not be simpler. So to get started, you just need to add 1 cup of salt, 1 cup of warm water, now you do need to mix this in, might take quite a while. Now just add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and give it a good mix. It does start looking like a bit of a pancake batter, but you would not want to try and eat this. Okay. Now this is completely optional, but I'm going to add a bit of red food colouring just to give it a nice colour. Now add the 2nd cup of flour. Just gets harder to mix as you go. At this point you just want to use your hands to mix it all in, as you'll have this problem constantly. Now you just want to knead it for a little bit. Okay. I'm going to split it into 2. I would say you want to leave it about 1 centimetre thick. Now it's nice and flat. I'm just going to add a tiny bit of flour on top there. This will stop anything you're pressing down from sticking, and then you should get a nice clear print. Spread it all over. My daughter really wanted a dinosaur one this time, so that's what I'm doing. You want to make sure you're pressing down on every part of what you're printing. Okay, that's not quite deep enough, so I'm just going to redo that slightly. Perfect. I'm just going to place this one on my oven tray. Just need to be careful from bending your print. So we have a dinosaur ready to go. Now the second one, my son wanted to also do a hand print for his nan. Again, making sure it's 1 centimetre high. Sprinkle a bit of flour. I need a little helper for this one. Come on, Alex. Can you place your hand in there?
Yeah.
Spread your fingers out. Perfect. You just spread them out a tiny bit more. Perfect, and then push down. And back up. Oh, that is perfect first go. Now we're going to place this one on the oven tray.
with the dinosaur.
So these I like to hang up. So I've got a plastic straw just to put a hole in, ready for some ribbon.
Ooh.
Same with the dinosaur. Now with these you can either bake them in the oven for 2 hours, but I do find it better if you do leave it to dry for 48 hours.
Like those two. We cut it in 2 hours and leave it in 24 hours.
So if you enjoyed my video today, please like and subscribe and share as much as you can.
If you like your next video.
Now I'd like to give a big round of applause to my son Alex for helping me out today. I'll see you next time. Bye! Perfect.